This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Compass AWD 23TE is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a Silverpointe, Travertine, Home Collection Estate G interior, sleeps 2, Slideout, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Compass AWD 23TE is built on a Ford Transit chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.